It means no worry for the rest of our days. I got a Yarn Guards and Yarn King surprise toy egg, and I'm gonna crack the egg and I'm gonna open it and see which toy I'm gonna open. A few moments later. A Puma!
Whoa!
I got a Puma teddy bear. Rum. You can do that. Can we talk or something? Can we talk? It's a Yarn Guard minifigure.
Come on.
I got a Yarn Guard minifigure.
Whoa. Should we open that later?
Now, can you open it for me?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see who we got.
Good boy. Open this.
Who do you have?
It's Naya and Simba. It's Naya and Simba.
Nala and Simba. Little teddy bears. Cool.
I got Naya and Simba surprise teddy bears.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to put them here next to Pumbaa. I'm going to get the next.
What do you have?
It's a Simba Funko Pop!
Whoa!
Hey!
Show it. Let's have a look. Ooh, it's Scar. It's not Simba.
It's Scar!
Yeah.
I got a Yarn King Scar toy!
A Funko Pop. Woo!
Yay.
Awesome.
Woohoo! What else have I got inside the egg? I got a Rafiki Funko Pop! Yeah! I got a Rafiki Funko Pop.
Oh, yeah.
I'm putting it on top of the Scar. Some Scar.
What have you got?
I got a crayon blanket.
It's pajamas.
Pajamas. Woohoo!
Yeah. Who have I got?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It's Bunga!
Whoa! Bunga!
We got Bunga. A Bunga minifigure.
Woo!
It's
Yeah!
Bunga!
Hold it.
I got my Bunga figure.
Nice.
Ooh. I'm going to put Bunga here. What else have I got? Lion King and Jungle Book puzzle.
Woohoo! Yeah, look at that. That looks awesome.
That's good.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Now, what else do you have in there?
Another one. Oh my god. This.
What is it?
It's minifigures. It's minifigures. I got Yarn King and Yarn Guards.
No way.
Characters.
Whoa! Who have you got? Who is it?
Do you know who it is? It is. No wonder. It's Flea!
Whoa! Yeah!
I got 3 characters.
That's awesome, dude. What else do you have in there?
Wow!
Another one.
Wow!
Another one?
Yeah. I can't believe it. Hey. We got two.
Can I have one? That's open.
Yeah.
Who is it? Who have you got?
I wonder who it is. No fish.
Who is it?
I wonder who it is. It's Bestie! Woohoo!
Woohoo!
We have got two boys, by the way, haven't we?
See another one. Another character.
We got Kion! We got Kion!
Yeah, nice.
Okay.
Yeah, awesome. That's cool. Go and put him in with the others. Another guy. Reg,
Yeah.
stand there.
Who is it? Do you know who is it?
Who is it? Who is it, Reg? Tell us.
It's Ono!
Oh no! Camera.
I got Ono toy
Oh yeah.
and I've been wearing him for a long time.
What? Nice. Your last one.
Pop the lid off.
It's Ono.
Another Ono.
Uh,
Oh, that's good.
yeah. I got Ono again.
Oh no.
Show it. Cool. Cool. Awesome, dude.
Daddy, that's my phone.
Have a button?
Yeah. So let's see what I got. Ono,
Hmm.
two Freeze, two Besties,
Hmm. Oh.
one Bestie, three, Timon,
Hmm.
Bunga, Ono, and Kion, Pumbaa, and Kizzy, Jungkook, Jungja, Naya, and Simba.
Ooh, and who else do you have here?
Scar and the Figgy Funga.
What?
Kion Close, Simba and Naya,
Cool.
a big Pumbaa, Jungle Book puzzle and the Iron King puzzle. Right. I'm gonna be a Iron Guard. I am. Thanks for watching, guys. It means no worry for the rest of our days. It's a bobbing face for the philosophy, a Hakuna Matata.